Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 22nd September 2025, Nifty index opened flattish and witnessed a slight breather after the rally of the last 10 trading sessions. It witnessed slight profit booking towards the end of the week and closed with losses of around 100 points. But major support levels are respected, so buy on dips narrative remains firmly intact. Now, it has moved more than 1,000 points so far in the month of September and staged a spirited comeback. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame but with a longer lower shadow, indicating that smart buying is visible at lower levels. It formed a bullish candle on the weekly frame and has been making higher lows from the last 3 weeks. India VIX was slightly up by 0.8% to 9.9 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.94. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,000 to 25,700, while immediate range is in between 25,100 to 25,500 level. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 351 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,953 crores. FII's index long-short ratio slightly decreased to 12.9%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,250 for the next up move towards 25,500 and 25,650, while support can be seen at 25,100 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,250 for the next up move towards 56,000 levels, while on the downside, support can be seen at 55,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Godrej Properties, Biocon, Ashok Leyland, Laurus Labs, Polycab, PNB, MCX, Bharti Airtel and Eternal. While some weakness could be seen in Trent, SBI Card, Concor, Titan, BSC and United Spirits. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.